So we've been working on a beautiful, gorgeous spinach salad, and it needs a balsamic vinaigrette. So we're going to be making one from scratch. And to start, we have 3/4 cup olive oil, extra virgin, delicious. And a little tip to buying olive oil, always buy it in a dark colored glass jar. It'll be much more fresh because the sunlight damages it. Then we have 1/4 cup balsamic vinegar. And I try to buy one with low nitrates, or no nitrates if you can find it. The Italian people, they love to age their balsamic, and they almost take on a new passion for it, such as wine. We have many regional varieties, actually. So to carry on, we have 1 tablespoon of mustard. This is a Dijon, although you can use any kind, and we've made this on the show before, so more incentive to watch our channel. This is going to add the binder and the emulsification to our dressing so that it stays together and doesn't separate later. Then we have 2 teaspoons of agave, just enough to give it a little sweetness. And I always like to buy organic when I can. Okay. And to finish it off, I have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper. And I love to use sea salt for the natural minerals. And to blend. You can also whisk this. I like to blend it. Okay. Beautiful. It's very fast, it's very easy, and very fresh to make your own homemade dressings. And why would you want to eat all those preservatives from store-bought ones anyway? There you go. Another delicious raw addition to your cooking. Thank you for watching and join our channel. Raw Foods, it's the new cool.